When I jumped on it, I fucking couldn't find the gear selector because mine sticks out heaps further.
Yeah, I do have that problem with that.
The electric start here?
The top, yeah, sorry, yeah, hit that bottom one.
No.
Oh, hit the red button? Yeah, now hit it. Yeah. The size of the rocks you're throwing up, man. They're like this fucking big.
Yeah, that doesn't do it nearly as
No.
much.
That was funny as.
Is that fun to ride still?
Fuck yeah, I'm keeping up with you, man.
Yeah.
I can get this up on the back wheel easy.
Easy, bro.
It's just body weight.
You just pull it a little bit. It's got a fair bit of mid-range for a 125 now, I reckon.
I like it. It's really comfortable to ride.
I mean, the only thing is you're fucking shifting gears like a 50,000 times on that.
Yeah.
Versus this, you just like, bah, bah,
Yeah.
bah. But
Yeah.
that is fucking 10 times more comfortable to ride, isn't it?
Yeah, fuck yeah. Yeah, way more comfortable. Smaller bikes are
I'll keep riding this.
Oh, go for it. Yeah.
We'll stop just down the bottom, like, before we hit the bitumen.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, smaller bikes are comfortable to ride. That thing you've like really got to hang on.
The first time I've ridden a KTM,
Yeah.
it's totally different.
Yeah.
The bike just feels total. I think I would like it more if I had higher bars.
Yeah, probably.
But because like when I stand up, I'm like I feel like I'm just like ah. But
Yeah.
mate, I would fucking buy one of these.
Yeah, I'd buy. All I want to do is put a steering dampener on it.
Yeah. It's weird though. It gets squirrely in the front end, doesn't it? About 95.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's up around 90. Yeah.
Whereas that thing, you can just hold that thing fucking pinned and the steering wheel, the bars will just track perfectly straight all the time.
Yeah, it's not as squirrely in the front end.
Nah.
Yeah.
Probably more squirrely in the arse though, because it's got no mid-range.
Mm.
This is just ridiculous though. I'm riding this in third, and I just go, "Map," and it's just like banned, you know, like that's, you gotta fucking, you're leaking water out, champ.
Yeah, you have to use a few more gears on this.
Mine needs a bit more yeehaw though, like it needs, it needs to have a few things done to it. But
Oh, it's good for what it is, man.
yeah, I mean, exactly right. For a
I'd ride it any day of the
bike that's only had $1,500 spent on it in fucking 15 years.
Yeah, I'd ride it any day of the week.
I just want it, yeah, it'd be nice if I reg-regged it up a little bit.
Yeah.
Even if I put like a slightly heavier flywheel in it, it might be nice, because that's what they make the Enduro. It's super light though, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it. I'm like coming around them corners, I'm fucking everywhere. Like I can't wait to watch this back.
Yeah.
I'm everywhere behind you and it's just that smaller tyres getting me. Doesn't have as much grip.
It's fucking pretty bald too.
I was like coming around a couple of those corners, I'm like, oh,
fucking oath.
it's fun though. Fucking
It's
heaps of
definitely fun.
Heaps of fun.
You wouldn't have ridden that thing for fucking years.
Nah, fuck. 6 years, 5 years.
First kick, baby.
First
Kick
kick.
every time. Now that you've got to. There you go.